Morning traders, Nick Massandrea, Market Tea Leaves here to bring a daily market bias video for Thursday, February 3rd. It's exactly 6:35 a.m. on the East Coast. We're going to take a look at the overnight session in Asia. Asia trading mainly low with the exception of the Hang Seng and the Singapore exchanges, which are trading higher at the current time. Presently, right now in Europe, and this current and ongoing, Europe is open trading. All of Europe is trading to the downside. Now, if we were to take a look at, market correlation as it stands. U.S. dollar is trading higher. The bonds, however, are trading lower. The S&P, Nasdaq, Dow Jones Industrial Average all point to a lower open. Gold is trading lower, as is crude oil. Now, if we were to take a look at economic news we have in the docket today for the U.S. markets, we do have a bit today, if you will, maybe quite a bit, as compared to previous days. At 7:30 a.m., about another hour from now, we have Challenger job cuts, which will dovetail very nicely into tomorrow's non-farm payroll. 8:30 a.m., we have unemployment claims, which is typical, usual, and customary for Thursday. Also at 8:30, we have preliminary non-farm productivity and preliminary unit labor costs. These are considered major because they are preliminary numbers, and there's always greater weight associated with that as opposed to revised. At 9:45, we have final services PMI. At 10 a.m., we have ISM services PMI. Also at 10 a.m., factory orders, and then to top it all off, at 10:30 a.m., we have natural gas storage, which again is typical, usual, and customary for a Thursday. All this being said, a bias is to the downside. And the reason why we're suggesting a downside bias, the U.S. dollar is trading higher, and the indices themselves are pointing lower, which is normal, if you will, at least from a market correlation perspective. Now, you might be questioning, well, why are you saying that when the bonds themselves, the 30-year bond is trading lower? Here's something that we're looking at right now. The 5-year note, the 2-year note, they're pointing higher. Up until a little while ago, the 10-year note, which we use in our daily charts, etc., was pointing higher as well, which would lead us to think that this could be correlated to the downside. Hence, our bias is to the downside. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in the volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.